Hello, I'm Oghenemaro Ikede and I am currently 11 years old. I am here to show you my project. So this project is a calculator and I will show it to you. So the project starts off like this. So if I press space, it will show me this tablet. So all I need to do is click this button. So it asks me what is my name. I'm gonna type my name is Mara.
No.
So it's gonna ask me how old I am, and I'm going to say that I'm not 20, I'm 12. I'm just gonna type 20. So it asks me to say my first number. I'll say my first number. 20, 250, 255. No. So if I type yes, it's gonna go next, but I'm gonna type no just to show you. 250. Yeah, so it's gonna say it's 250 my real number. So yes, 250 my real number. So I'm gonna tell that. So now it's adding 250 to this list. I'm not gonna use.
I have glasses, so I'm smart. I will give you. I will send you. I will send you to give. I will give you back and slap.
So now it's done adding that. So now we're going to say the operation soon. So these are the only 4 operations that you can say: adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. So I want to subtract, so I'll say subtract.
Subtract.
Sorry. Subtract. Yes, because I said subtract. Subtract is my final operation, so I'm gonna say yes. Say why is it not? Yes. So now it's supposed to work now. Wait, hold on. So it said I see subtract. So now you say the second number. 255. Wait, no, I don't want this number. I want to pick something else. 2,255. 2,255. Yes, because I said this number. So now it's going to be adding this to the. So it's going to be adding this. Yes, as you can see here, it's added. So now, soon, hold on. Okay. Right, so I think it's fine. We need it. Of course. So there's lag. So the answer, we can see here that the answer is this. So now it says see later and sooner. Alright. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.
And don't forget, this is Mara.